I need to ask. No, for real, ladies, please give me your opinion here.
I don't know. I don't know.
Is this a bad idea? Is this a really bad idea?
I don't know what you would look like bald. I have no idea.
Well, I need to know if this is a bad idea.
I think it'll be funny.
I think it'll be good.
Well, okay, I know you think it'll be funny, but will it work? I want to know if it'll work.
For what? Like for ladies?
Work for awesome? Yes. Absolutely.
I don't give a flying fuck about ladies.
So,
I mean,
for awesome,
ladies will flock ladies regardless. You know what? Just shave the flying fucker. Let's just do it.
God.
Cut that shit.
Okay, this is it. Like, are you for real?
You do it. Do it now.
Are you for real? John?
Before you do it, let me ask you something. For real, can you guys make sure that the whole process will be done good?
It'll be done good.
No.
And beyond that it will play to my benefit as far as having it bald.
A bald with a beard is nothing. You couldn't ask for anything more, I don't
No, you
think.
can't.
Ladies, please don't joke with me now, okay?
You ready?
Do it.
Brandon, you ready?
Rachel,
Just do it.
Rachel,
Yeah.
Rachel, before you do it,
Just
Rachel,
do it.
Rachel, before you do it,
Yeah.
we need to really talk about this and make sure that this is okay.
We don't have enough film to talk about.